Introducing the One More 3 inches Mini Single Favor White Cupcake Boxes with Heart-Shaped Window Without Handle. Perfect for sharing delectable treats with your guests at weddings, birthdays, and baby showers. Each cupcake box measures 3 inches square, providing enough room to hold a mouthwatering cupcake. The white gift boxes feature heart-shaped acetate windows, allowing the frosted tops of the cupcakes to peek through and entice your guests. With 25 decorated favor boxes included in each pack, you can easily distribute cupcakes as delightful favors for any event. Your guests will absolutely love receiving these sweet treats. Please note that these cupcake boxes are made from paper and do not come with handles. They are designed to enhance the presentation of your cupcakes and ensure they arrive in perfect condition. To ensure compatibility, please check the product specifications before purchasing, as the electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. International customers may require an adapter or converter for use in their destination. The product information of the One More 3 inches Mini Single Favor White Cupcake Boxes with Heart-Shaped Window Without Handle is as follows. ASIN B01I192JMS. Customer reviews: 4.7 out of 5 stars from 1,586 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 68,830 in kitchen and dining, number 135 in cupcake carriers. Date first available July 6, 2016. Don't miss out on these beautifully designed cupcake boxes that will make your treats even more enticing. Check out the short link provided in the description to purchase the One More 3 inches Mini Single Favor White Cupcake Boxes with Heart-Shaped Window Without Handle, pack of 25.